Imagine finding a website that tells you you can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars from home. You don't need investment. You don't need experience. You simply complete tasks, watch videos, test apps, and invite friends. Sounds amazing, right? But what if the money displayed on your dashboard isn't actually withdrawable? Today we're investigating SmartGain, specifically the website SmartGain-60ad.xyz, and I'm going to show you the red flags you need to know before giving this platform your time, personal information, or money. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to investigate SmartGain from several angles: the website itself, the domain registration, the earning claims, the withdrawal system, the referral program, and most importantly, whether there is credible evidence that ordinary users are actually getting paid. So stay until the end, because the biggest red flag is the one that can make you waste hours or even expose your personal information. SmartGain presents itself as an online earning platform. The concept is simple. Users are encouraged to perform different activities such as watching videos, completing tasks, testing applications, and referring other people. The platform then displays earnings inside your account. At first glance, this can look like a legitimate get-paid-to website. But there is an important difference between showing earnings on a screen and actually being able to convert those earnings into real money. And this is where SmartGain becomes very questionable. The first red flag: the domain. Let's start with the website address. The domain we're investigating is SmartGain-cta.xyz. According to publicly available domain information, this domain was created on Strong January 22, 2026. That makes it a very young website. Scam Advisor also reports that the domain's ownership information is hidden and gives the website a strong trust score of 0. Now, let me be clear. A new domain does not automatically mean a website is a scam. And hidden WHIS information does not automatically prove fraud. But when you combine those things with unrealistic earning claims and other warning signs, the risk becomes much higher. SSL does not mean the website is legit. You may notice something interesting. SmartGain uses HTTPS, and your browser may show the familiar padlock. Some people see that and immediately think, this website is safe. That's not correct. The website does have a valid SSL certificate, but SSL only means that your connection to the website can be encrypted. It does not prove that the company behind the website is legitimate. In fact, Scam Advisor specifically points out that scammers can also use SSL certificates. So, don't let the padlock convince you that an earning platform is genuine. The crazy earning claims. Now let's talk about the biggest problem: the earning numbers. SmartGain reportedly promotes extremely high rewards for very simple activities. For example, users can supposedly earn large amounts for testing applications, watching videos, completing tasks, and referring other users. Think about this logically. If a website pays someone thousands of dollars for a few minutes of watching videos or testing an ordinary application, where does that money actually come from? A legitimate business needs a sustainable revenue model. If advertisers are paying the platform a few dollars for an action, the platform cannot sustainably give users thousands of dollars for performing that same action. That's basic economics. And this is one of the biggest reasons these types of platforms should be investigated carefully. The withdrawal trap. But here's where things become even more concerning. Independent reports investigating SmartGain claim that the platform displays an extremely high minimum withdrawal requirement, reportedly around $320,000. Think about that number. $320,000. Imagine completing tasks and watching your balance increase. You may think, I'm getting closer to my withdrawal. But if the withdrawal threshold is practically unreachable, the balance displayed on your account has very little real-world value. And that's an important lesson. A balance inside a website is not the same thing as money in your bank account. Until you can successfully withdraw the money, you should treat those numbers as unverified. The referral system. Another major warning sign is the referral system. Users are encouraged to invite other people. And according to independent reports, SmartGain advertises very large referral rewards. This creates a powerful psychological effect. You sign up. You see money appearing in your dashboard. Then you're told, invite your friends to earn even more. So you share the link with your friends, family members, WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, and Telegram channels. The platform gets more users. But the important question remains, can those users actually withdraw their money? If the answer is no, the referral system isn't really helping users earn money. It's helping the platform spread. Fake payment notifications. Another issue, reported by investigators, is the presence of supposed payment notifications showing users receiving large amounts of money. But here's the problem. A notification appearing inside the SmartGain website is not independent proof of payment. A website owner can program a notification to say, "Congratulations, someone just received $1,200. That doesn't mean a real bank transaction occurred. Real payment evidence should be independently verifiable. For example, a blockchain transaction hash, a legitimate payment processor reference, a verifiable bank transaction, or credible evidence from multiple independent users. Without that, these notifications should be treated as claims, not proof." Security warnings. The website has also attracted warnings from website reputation services. Gridinsoft classified the domain as suspicious and reported multiple security provider warnings, while ScamVoid also identifies potential security risks and a blocklist detection. Again, automated security tools are not perfect. A warning doesn't automatically prove criminal activity. But when several independent services are raising concerns about the same website, that's something you should not ignore. So, is SmartGain a scam? So, after looking at everything, what's my verdict? I would not recommend SmartGain. I can't independently prove that every person behind this platform is committing fraud. But there are enough warning signs for me to classify SmartGain60ad.xyz as highly suspicious and unsafe to trust with money or sensitive personal information. We have a very young domain, hidden ownership information, extremely aggressive earning claims, an allegedly enormous withdrawal threshold, heavy referral incentives, unverified payment notifications, and poor reputation scores from multiple website risk services. For me, that's enough reason to stay away. What should you do if you already registered? If you've already created an account, don't panic, but take precautions. First, don't send money to unlock your withdrawal. Second, don't provide unnecessary identity or financial information. Third, don't reuse the same password you use for your email, banking, cryptocurrency exchange, or other important accounts. If you reused your password, change it immediately on the legitimate services where you used it. And if the website asks you to download an APK or unknown application, don't install it simply because the website tells you to. Unknown applications can create additional security risks. Final message, and this is the most important lesson from the SmartGain case. Don't judge an earning platform by how beautiful the dashboard looks. Don't judge it by the balance displayed on your screen. And don't judge it by screenshots posted on Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, or YouTube. Ask 3 questions. Who owns the company? Where does the money come from? And most importantly, can independent users actually withdraw their money? If those questions cannot be answered clearly, walk away. If you found this investigation useful, hit the like button because it helps other people discover this warning. And if you know someone promoting SmartGain, send them this video before they invite more people. Subscribe to the channel for more investigations into crypto mining apps, online earning platforms, airdrops, and websites promising easy money. And comment below, have you personally tried SmartGain, and were you able to withdraw? I'll be reading your experiences. Thanks for watching, and remember, if the money looks too easy, investigate before you trust it.